You guys might remember this Porsche. You guys see this hood? It's white, and there's nothing wrong with that, but it's boring. You guys see this roof? It's white, and there's nothing wrong with it, but it's boring. So Sean is gonna go ahead and wrap this roof gloss black. Is that what we're doing? Gloss black? This pillar here, the main piece, this piece here. That way, from far away, it kind of has like that panel roof effect. Assuming Sean does a good job and doesn't make it look like poop.
Always a good job here with me.
It looks like you're massaging the scalp of like the head of the Porsche right now.
That's what I am doing.
You do that to Raul every night, don't you? To relax him?
Oh, it feels good, yeah. Feels good, yeah. No.
Because I know it's stressful right now trying to get a new job being a bartender in a time when bars are closed, right? He's stressed out, so you're trying to help him out with that. We got the main roof vinyl laid down. We're working on the edges right now. Trying to get a nice clean tuck all the way through. Boom, guys. Here is the final product. The hood is now completely gloss black. Oh, I keep saying hood. So what do you think, guys? The roof is now completely gloss black. It gives an illusion like as if the whole top is glass now. Nice and neat and tucked. Quick overall look of the car. So this 911 is probably one of the cleanest ones we've gotten in. Everything is white, interior is tan, gloss silver Vossen CV3 wheels. But the roof adds a nice touch of sport to the car without being too over the top. I like it. I like it a lot.